So this VSCode keyboard shortcut is called copy selection up or down, and you can use it on single or multiple lines. We'll take a look at that. So here I have some React code, and if I select a line and press Shift-Alt and start using the up or down arrows, I will copy that selection. Now you can do this in both directions, regardless where your selection is. So here I copy it up or down from where my current selection is. And I guess one of the use cases for something like this would be making a table with multiple rows. So let's say I have a row here with a couple of columns, let's say A and B. And if I select this and Shift-Alt and arrow down, I can multiply rows really fast. Now, this works for a single line of selected text, but it will also work with multiple line selections. So here, for example, I'm going to select the entire function and do Shift-Alt, arrow down, and as you can see, we're copying the entire function.